USG Umbral direct mount panels are a direct mount system that can be installed to the deck with hat channel, offering design flexibility, excellent acoustics, and elegant aesthetics. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to install USG Umbral direct mount panels. Before getting started, please be sure to have the appropriate tools required and that you are wearing the proper PPE. Laying out your design. Begin by measuring the deck area and laying out the placement of the hat channel. Panels are a nominal 2 foot by 4 foot, the same size as standard acoustical tile. Panels can be installed in a narrow or wide configuration. For the narrow configuration, lay out the hat channel 16 inches on center with 2 rows per column of panels. For the wide configuration, lay out 3 rows of hat channel per column to be installed 20 inches on center. Installing hat channel. Prep the deck for the hat channel installation and then install the hat channel to the deck according to your layout. Mounting the panels. When mounting to the hat channel, install screws 4 inches from the edge, with panels having equal overhang on each side. USG Umbral direct mount panels require 6 screws per panel per 2 foot by 4 foot panel, 1 on each corner and 2 in the middle of the long edges. We recommend pre-marking the panels before installing them to the hat channel. Start at one corner and then secure the opposing corner. Continue fastening corners around the panel. Then install the middle fasteners. Fasteners should be driven flush with the panel face. Do not overdrive and puncture the panel scrim. If you are installing alone, you may find it easier to install the middle fasteners first. You can also use a straight edge for each row to ensure they align properly. Fasteners have a 1/2 inch face. Factory painted fasteners are available for flat white and flat black panels to match the finish. For field paintable panels, fasteners are left with an unpainted metal face which will be coated during spray. Panels can be installed in as many rows and columns as needed to fill the deck and provide acoustic performance. And that's it. You are now ready to install USG Umbral direct mount panels.